Every day you hit snooze, scroll your phone, and lose your purpose. You're not tired, you're unmotivated. You don't need more time. You need a better routine. One that makes you disciplined, focused, unstoppable. A routine that makes you unrecognizable 30 days from now. You say you want to improve. You want discipline, respect, and clarity, but your day is chaos. You wake up late, waste time, chase distractions. You start strong, then collapse by noon. Because without structure, motivation dies. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems, and right now you have none. Here's how to fix it. Here's the perfect daily routine for self-improvement. Wake up at 4:30 a.m. When the world is silent, that's your advantage. Take a cold shower. It shocks your system, kills comfort, and sharpens your mind. Journal your mission. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and 3 tasks you will dominate today. Move your body. Train like a man who's at war with his weakness. Even 30 minutes will shift your energy. Read for 10 minutes. Feed your mind. Small inputs, massive change. Plan your day. Block everything. If it's not on your schedule, it doesn't exist. And finally, go dark after 9 p.m. No screen, no distractions. Just you, your thoughts, and your peace. This isn't just a routine. It's a lifestyle, a code. Repeat it daily, and you'll become focused, respected, and built on purpose. The world can't shake a man built on structure. No more random days. No more wasted time. This is how you evolve. If you're ready to stop talking and start becoming, comment "I'm starting today" and subscribe. This isn't just motivation. This is war against the old you.